Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special for all the crypto enthusiasts out there. We're going to unbox and review the SecuX W20 TrendMicro hardware crypto wallet. And guess what? You can use my voucher code WonderReview to get 15% discount on your purchase. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. First up, we have SecuX W20 TrendMicro unit itself. It's sleek, compact, and feels solid in the hand. Next, we have a pouch with a micro USB. This is used to connect your SecuX W20 TrendMicro to your computer or other devices. Here, we have a TrendMicro Chain Safer Premium promo card. This is a nice addition for your extra security. Next, we have a power praise and hidden wallet card. This is where you can write down your recovery praises for added security. And of course, we have the SecuX manual. This will guide you through the setup process and how to use your new hardware wallet. Lastly, we have recovery sheets. These are crucial for recovering your wallet in case you lost access to it. Now, let's talk about the features of the SecuX W20 TrendMicro. This hardware wallet uses a military-grade Infineon secure element chip to securely store your PIN and private key. It supports over 1,000 coins and tokens, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all ERC20 tokens. It also has a large 2.8-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation. Now, let's turn it on and set up a wallet for the first time. I'll walk you through a few steps to set up the device and protect your valuable crypto assets. Click Get Started. Create your 4 to 8 personal PIN. Choose your device name. Then, you will be asked to create a new wallet or recover your existing wallet. Let's create a new wallet. Important notice, this device will generate 24 recovery words for your SecuX wallet. Write down your 24 recovery words in correct order on the recovery sheets and keep them in a safe place. If your device is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can restore your wallet using these 24 recovery words. Click on Continue. Great, device is now set up successfully. Click Next to go to the account address. Since it's a new wallet, no account has been added yet. We will need to visit this SecuX official website. Connect SecuX W20 TrendMicro using the micro USB cable on your computer. And visit SecuX official website. Then choose W20 for the device. Then look for Set up a new W20 device. And look for How to connect. Pick Connect W20 to computer via USB. There will be a pop-up on the lower right. Click it. Click Connect via USB. You'll also need to update firmware. Once updated, you choose the crypto you want to add on your hardware wallet. Let me add Bitcoin account. Just click Add Account. Enter the account name. It will be added real-time on your SecuX W20 TrendMicro wallet. Let me add Ethereum Wallet too. Just tap it to see your QR code or deposit address. The process is straightforward and the user-friendly interface make it even easier. Remember, your private keys never leave the device, making it a secure way to authorize transactions. And that's it for today's unboxing and review of the SecuX W20 TrendMicro hardware wallet. Don't forget to use my voucher code WonderReview for a 15% discount. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay safe and secure.